Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of cheap, free, and easy deals that you can do at Walmart. You don't need any coupons or anything like that. All you're going to need is your phone and a couple of rebate apps. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this really super simple, quick and easy Walmart haul. Now, as soon as I got done with Walgreens, I ran over to Walmart. And by the way, I did post my Walgreens haul video, and there's a ton of awesome deals going on at Walgreens. So I not only included my haul in that video, but I also gave you guys some more awesome deals that I did not pick up, but they're still really, really great deals at Walgreens this week that I had to tell you all about. So if you missed that video, definitely go and check it out. There's a lot of great deals where you don't even need coupons or Walgreens cash or anything. I mean, just really great prices there this week. So go check it out. All right, so back to Walmart. I ran in. You don't need any coupons for these deals. All you need is your phone. All right, so in that Walgreens video, I showed you guys this awesome deal on the Adidas Moves men's cologne. So while I was at Walmart, I checked out the Adidas Moves body sprays. So these are 2.5 fluid ounces. These are $7.98 at Walmart. And so you're going to pay that out of pocket. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. And right now on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate. All right. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back. I received, of course, $6 since I picked up two. But that leaves your final price $4.98 for one. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and now I have the body spray to match with the cologne. All right, and this, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially right now. We have those bonuses to work toward. We have one that doesn't expire until the 1st of January. So if you're working toward any of those big bonuses that we have right now, this would be a great one to throw in, and especially because Christmas is right around the corner. So that is definitely going to be right here. This little set right here is going to be a Christmas present for my boys. All right, so I'm going to do a little rearranging, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, guys, so now we're going to go over this second deal. So this is completely free, plus a little bit of a moneymaker, depending on which items you pick up. All right, no coupons needed. All you need is your phone. So for this deal, you want to make sure that you are at least picking up $15 worth of Maybelline mascaras. That's the main thing that you need to focus on to get this deal to work, and it is before taxes. So your subtotal needs to be at least $15. All right. So jumping right in here, I do want to say that there were several that you could choose from, different prices. I tried to focus on the ones that were around $5, but there are other ones that you can choose from that were like $6, $7, $8 if you don't want this to be free, but you do want to pick up the product. You know, maybe the product that you like is the $8 mascara. That's fine. Go ahead and pick that one up, and you're just getting it for really super cheap. Okay. So here's the ones that I picked up. First, I picked up the Maybelline Great Lash Big Mascara. This was $4.28. Then I picked up the Maybelline New York Volume Express Pumped Up Colossal. This was $5.84. And then that one down there on the end, also Maybelline New York Volume Express the Mega Plush. So I was just thinking, you know, I wonder what the big difference is. I'm going to try these out. I am literally going to try all three of these and see which one, if it really makes a difference, see which one really does what it says it's supposed to, right? Do you ever wonder that? Anyways, so with picking up all three of these mascaras, that brought my subtotal to $15.88. And I'll show you my receipt here. So $15.88 Maybelline mascara. So I paid that out of pocket, plus tax out of pocket. Then you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you are going to get a total of $6 back, because right now on Ibotta we have a $2 rebate. So you're going to get $2 for each mascara that you picked up. All right, so you're getting a total of $6 back. We're already off on a good start. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars. Right now on Inbox Dollars, under their Magic Receipts, you click on Shop first and then Magic Receipts, and there is a $10 rebate when you spend $15 on Maybelline mascara. So you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars, get that $10 back, and that is going to make your final price completely free, plus a 12-cent moneymaker. Now, it was 12 cents for me, but again, if you pick up a different Maybelline mascara, you may have a few cents more or a few cents less. It just depends on which ones you choose. But either way, it's going to turn out free, I'm pretty sure. Unless you just want the more expensive mascara, and that's completely fine too, as long as you're getting a good deal and you're saving some money. So, complete freebie there. Now, you can also, this same deal that's on Inbox Dollars is also on My Points and Swag Bucks, okay? I think I do have referral links if you would rather try one of those apps instead, if you're not already signed up, and I will leave all that information in the pinned comment below, but they all work out to be about the same, $10 on each app. Now, the thing is, do not try to sign up for all three apps and get $30 back, because that doesn't work. Those apps are somehow connected. I'm not sure if it's the same company that owns them or what, but you either it just won't work and you've just wasted your time signing up, or it's possible that you'll get your account locked up, and that's no fun. So pick one of those apps, Inbox Dollars, Swag Bucks, or My Points, to submit your receipt and get that $10 back. I personally like Inbox Dollars. I think that's the easiest one for me to kind of, it's just simple. It's just easy to look at. It's like $10. I don't have to do any kind of conversions or anything like that. But you may prefer one of the other ones. I've just always had Inbox Dollars, and that's kind of just what I've stuck with over the years. Plus, on Inbox Dollars, I mean, it's really becoming one of my favorite apps. On Inbox Dollars, they pay you for all kinds of things. You can take surveys, you can watch ads, you can play games, and you can print off coupons. They pay you to print off coupons. They pay you if you use those printable coupons in the store. I think they're paying you right now 20 cents for every printable coupon that you use in the store. So there's always a way to make money on Inbox Dollars. Plus, they have rebates. They have things where you can scan items in the store and earn money. You can submit any receipt pretty much any time for 2 cents. Just little things here and there that you can do to save those pennies. And another thing on Inbox Dollars that I love is that we do get free samples, okay? So last week, it was either last week or the week before, I did receive my free Dove deodorant samples in the mail. Now, for some reason, they did send me 2, and they were 2 different ones. So I did receive a men's and a women's this time. I'm not sure why. I only did the deal once. I only have one Inbox Dollars account, but hey, I'm not going to complain. But I did share this deal with you guys. I think I may have put it in a community post, where if you signed up for this free sample through Inbox Dollars, they actually paid you 15 cents. Plus, you got a free sample in the mail. So I actually earned 15 cents just for signing up for this Dove free sample. So really super simple and easy, 15 cents. Hey, plus, these little things, I was thinking earlier, these would be great little stocking stuffers. I mean, hey, throw them in the stockings for Christmas, right? All right, so that's just a couple of the reasons why I like Inbox Dollars. And of course, you all know I love Ibotta. I have literally saved thousands by using that app, and I have been loving doing my online shopping through Ibotta because you get money back that way too. All right, guys, so I think that is it for these super simple, quick, and easy deals. I'm going to have all of my referral links down in the description box or the pinned comment, so check all of that stuff out.
Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up these deals. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And don't forget, we're doing surprise giveaways all month long. And also, please share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.